access TutorTrack by Googling TutorTrack Tiffin. The first auto-generated populated link is where you should click. Once this new page is pulled up, the students will see this page, and from there you will utilize your campus information. From now, this new link will take you to search availability. Under search criteria and center, you will use the drop-down menu, click on tutoring, and then from here you will see in the left-hand column that there are some changes to the screen. So we will skip over consultant because not all of our tutors tutor within every single subject, but we will skip down to section and the drop-down menu will appear by choice required. From here we will click the class that you are needing help in. The reason that populates is Makeup Tests, One-on-One, Online, or PAL. Due to Tiffin University's scheduling in the Murphy Center, makeup tests must be called in or emailed to find availability. And right now, students have two options for tutoring assistance, one-on-one or online. So for this instance, we are going to pick one-on-one. In order to populate all of the availability throughout all of our tutors, we are going to leave the dates as is and the time along with the actual days of the week. And then one will click search. Now, if this page is populated, this means that we do not have a tutor currently in this section. But no need to fret. We also, if we go back up here and we click on writing, that can give a new suggestion, a new population, so that tutors can go over the paper itself rather than content, so things like APA formatting and text citations and so forth. Now if we click search from here, it will show all of our availability through that week time frame. If you are looking to schedule an appointment at this time, you will be able to click on any of the green dots. This page will pop up and you will basically just go through and answer accordingly. If it is an online appointment, you will need to put in your phone number due to the tutors needing a place to be able to reach you. From there, you can also add additional notes to give a tutor the heads up on the criteria needed. And at this point, you can also change your appointment duration time. So we do things in 30-minute increments, so you could do it for 30 minutes or possibly 60. From this moment, you will click save as long as everything looks correct on your screen, which will then be prompted to a no reply email confirmation provided by our system telling you when your tutoring appointment is. If at any chance you have questions or concerns about your appointment, please feel free to call the Murphy Center at 419-448-3324 and we will answer all of your questions.